Hello and welcome to Bold Profits Market Talk Monday for the week of September 28th, 2020. I'm Amber Lancaster and you are watching the Paul Mampilly YouTube channel, the channel for Main Street stock investors. Well, Strong Hands Nation, this week I'm going to prove to you how investing with Paul can triple your money. Yes, I said triple. So be prepared to hear 3 trades that are well positioned to soar as a particular technological revolution takes place. But before we begin, and you know what I'm about to say, to follow Paul and me on Twitter, you can find us at Mampilly Guru and at A Lancaster Guru. And please subscribe to this YouTube channel for alerts when a new video content is posted. Plus, it supports the channel. So let's get started. So Paul's known for coining unusual phrases like in-demandness and going upness. But there's one phrase that he may not have necessarily coined, but he is one of the early adopters and huge proponents of. And this particular growing technological trend is the new energy revolution. Now, the U.S. Department of Energy frames new energy this way. A clean energy revolution is taking place across America. It's underscored by the steady expansion of the U.S. renewable energy sector. The clean energy industry generates hundreds of billions of dollars in economic activity and is expected to continue to grow rapidly in the coming years. There is tremendous economic opportunity for countries that invest in inventing, manufacturing, as well as exporting clean energy technologies. Now, new energy includes the following: solar, wind, water, geothermal, bioenergy, nuclear, and hydrogen fuel cells. Now, Paul recommended his readers jump all into new energy in this article posted November 2nd, 2018. In this article, he announced that, quote, the solar revolution is yours for the taking. He wrote that we're on the cusp of an incredible surge in demand for energy. So there's no time better than the present to get exposure to what I like to call the new energy megatrend. And one thing that I learned from all of my years on Wall Street is that if you really want massive 1,000% winners, you have to be in the leading stocks in the industry, end quote. Then let's fast forward to October 15, 2019, when he wrote an article and recorded a video with the headline, "Fossil Fuel is Dying. Here are 2 new energy stocks that will dominate the 2020s. So in both video articles, he recommended one high-flying new energy exchange-traded fund, or ETF. That ETF is the Invesco Solar ETF, ticker TAN. Since his initial recommendation in 2018, TAN has tripled in value. And since October 2019's recommendation, TAN has nearly doubled. And all I can say, Strong Hands Nation, is that this new energy trend forecast for new energy stocks that will dominate the 2020s is spot on. And check out this chart just published by Bloomberg. I tweeted it out actually last week. It shows that new energy technology has quadrupled in value over the past year alone, and is confirmed by ETFs tracking clean energy indices. So per Bloomberg, quote, market caps of 9 ETFs focusing on companies in renewable power and energy efficiency have jumped to $7.1 billion in September from $1.8 billion last year. So this clean energy performance data confirms Paul's forecasts from 2018 as well as 2019. And those who follow Paul's advice have made up to nearly 200% gains on his recommendations. And it won't stop there. In our recent investment team call this past week, Paul actually said thousands of more percent is poised to come, with the cost of renewable energy falling across the board and the $928 billion global renewable energy market projected to reach $1.5 trillion by 2025. sky's the limit. The new energy revolution is upon us, and it's here to stay. So here are 3 trades that you can make today to ride the new energy revolution. Plus, stay tuned for details on our trading service that Paul calls the secret portfolio for further gains for you. So first, as the familiar phrase goes, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Well, that applies here. So consider buying shares in the Invesco Solar ETF, TAN, as the ticker. TAN tracks the MAC Global Solar Energy Index, which has market cap weight securities in the solar energy industry, including all solar technologies. The entire value chain is there: raw materials, manufacturing, installers, solar plant operations, financing, and related solar equipment such as power inverters. Well, they're all represented in this particular ETF. Second, consider buying shares in the Invesco Wilder Hill Clean Energy ETF, ticker PBW. So PBW, it actually holds U.S. listed stocks in the clean energy sector, specifically businesses that stand to benefit substantially from societal's transition toward the use of cleaner energy, zero CO2, renewables, and conservation. So this ETF is rebalanced quarterly. Third, look into buying shares in the First Trust NASDAQ Clean Energy Green Energy Index Fund, ticker QCLN. So QCLN actually seeks investment results that correspond to the NASDAQ Clean Energy Clean Edge US Liquid Series Index, which is a modified market cap weighted index, and it's designed to track the performance of clean energy companies that are publicly traded in the US. And fourth, check out Paul's Secret Portfolio Summit. Paul's Secret Portfolio is a trading service laser focused on taking hold of opportunities in areas that Wall Street isn't looking into, just like how Paul called the new energy revolution in 2018. In his secret portfolio service, you have the opportunity to take advantage of diamonds in the rough. Now, the best part of Paul's secret portfolio, well, he's starting you off with 10 hand-selected stocks to show you what it means to invest like a true speculator. So to find out how to join this stock trading service, click the link in the description page just below in this video. And finally, turning toward the U.S. economic week ahead, there will be mega 16 major economic releases. Now, of all these releases, we'll be closely watching September's consumer confidence on Tuesday, August's personal income and personal spending, August construction spending month over month, and September's ISM manufacturing on Thursday, and the September jobs report, as well as the September final prints for University of Michigan sentiment, factory orders, and durable goods orders on Friday. And no bull profits, Strong Hands Nation, that you can follow me on Twitter as I'll post results and our hashtag BOP, bullish, optimistic, positive take for most of these economic releases during the trading week. So that concludes this week's Market Talk Monday. Thanks everyone for tuning in this week. And until next time, take care.